in which a serious charge, again over there the charge is of assault on a sitting Rajya Sabha member of parliament by the PA of the Chief Minister inside the Chief Minister's house. Of course, FIR has been filed now. Bibhav Kumar has been arrested as well. But what do you think this speaks about the Aam Aadmi Party and the role of, if a former DCW chief this can happen to, many are questioning, what about the common person, the Aam Aadmi, the common lady on the street?
If you look at one of the Aam Aadmi Party's minister today, her remarks about Swati Maliwal some time back and her current remarks, it exposes Aam Aadmi Party. At the same time, manhandling of a woman, and that too even a Rajya Sabha MP, and also belonging to the same political party who is in power. I'm so sad to see the behavior of Aam Aadmi Party Chief Minister's PA. And despite knowing this, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal took his PA with him in the car the very next day. Sanjay Singh, the Rajya Sabha MP, gave a clear version in the media, I think on the 14th, about the incident took place, and 17th the minister, the women minister saying from the Aam Aadmi Party that nothing like this happened. Contradictory statements altogether. So there's a lot behind this. I think there's a lot of infighting within the Congress party, within the Aam Aadmi Party also. And they are struggling today. They are struggling to survive. And on many questions, Arvind Kejriwal is unable to answer the party. And look at the situation today. He is seeking votes in the name of getting bail and coming out of the jail. कि vote दे दो ताकि अरविंद केजरीवाल जेल के बाहर रहे. Corrupt people has to be behind the bars.
Right. Last question on this subject. You know, Virendra Sachdeva, the Delhi BJP president, he said, and I just want to quote, that entire controversy is Maliwal is happening because Kejriwal wants to send a prominent lawyer to Rajya Sabha on whom he has sent crores from the exchequer. What is the basis of these allegations? And is the same lawyer the same person who wanted to enter Rajya Sabha through Himachal?
You know, they are together now, the Congress and Aam Aadmi Party. He used to accuse Congress that what is CBI and ED doing? Sonia Gandhi must be behind the bars. This is Arvind Kejriwal's statement, public speeches. And today, his wife sit next to the Sonia Gandhi, shake hands, make alliances, make announcements. It's not a big thing that a person from the Congress party may switch over to Aam Aadmi Party, because now Aam Aadmi Party need more lawyers because of their corrupt practices.
Right. Also, one of the defenses that they keep making, Aam Aadmi Party and other opposition parties, when questioned on women's safety, is Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. They're saying BJP ne action nahi liya Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh pe. How do you respond to them when they raise that question?
I'm glad that you asked this question. When this issue was taken up with us, we have formed an internal committee. The committee gave a report, and we have given that report to the Delhi police to take action. The wrestlers also went to the court. The Delhi police did the investigation, and they have finally submitted that in the court, and the court also came out with a judgment, which we also welcome that judgment. We want the sports to be clean and the women to be safe, not only in sports but in the public life or in the personal life as well.
Right. You know, framing of charges has happened in Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. Of course, that is a court procedure. But we've seen Bajrang Punia, one of the key faces of the protest. He has said the decision to give Kaisarganj ticket to Karan Bhushan shows that BJP doesn't care about safety of women and Parivarvad is prevalent in ruling party. How do you respond to this?
I think let's restrict ourselves to the issue of Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. His son, who is an individual, independent person, he's got a ticket. So if Brij Bhushan has done anything wrong, he has to face the consequences of that. It is not that the Arvind Kejriwal has done corruption, so his wife and his daughter should also go to the jail.
Okay, so you're saying corruption charges and father should not be linked to the son, right?
I mean, how can you do that? They're two independent people.